Hello my YouTube friends. Today we're gonna look at this Imperial knife Tradesman workingman tool. Got a 10-year warranty from 1991, so not anymore. It's kind of new old stock. I got this from the first owner. He bought 3 of them, he said. This is the only one he didn't use. He recently found it in the bottom of a drawer and thought, let's put it on the side and see if somebody buys it. And I was the guy that bought it. Got a nice pierpoint blade, stainless. It says on the tank stem Imperial Ireland stainless. We also got a screwdriver blade with a knots out for the wire stripping, and one over there as well, I think, probably. Screwdriver tip, and it's a box cutter, I guess. It's not very sharp, but it's a bit sharp. Got a liner lock in the middle, copper liner lock. Got black plastic scales with ridges in it, so you got a good grip. Also got ridges in there. The little yellow bit is, I think, to put your initials in. You got a bail to put a little rope on it. It's just a nice working knife. Never been used, but I'm gonna use it. I will friendly ask you if you could hit follow, like, and hit the bell icon, if possible. Friends, either way. I'll turn on a little slideshow and a little zoom. Thanks for being here. Bye bye.
Blue collar life I live, yeah. Fifth pocket holds my knife. I'm box cutting all day long, yeah. Whittling dreams with strife. Pocket knife reviews I upload, choosing steel from my hand. On my bicycle to the job site, carving wood on the lunch break. Fifth pocket knife, tools for life. Slip joints, sharp edge through the strife. In my hand, it feels just right. Review the knives under the ring lights. Grease stained hands and callous skin.